This is the router table. It makes different shapes on the board, and you always move right to left to keep your fingers away so they don't get chopped off. And you never wear loose clothing, and you wear protective eyewear. Ta-da! This is the router table. The router table makes different shapes on the board, and you always move right to left and keep your fingers back, and you wear loose clothing and protective eyewear. Aren't you supposed to say take 3?
No, she said.
I just go.
First off, this is terrible. This is terrible.
How is it terrible?
Oh, this is actually not bad. This is terrible.